Hello guys, it's Nick here again. Short update about the van. I sold it finally. Took me like crazy amount of time to do it, but it's already sold. I put it for sale for 2.5, after that for 2 grand, and finally some guy came and offered me 1600. Was a bad battle, but yeah, he won it. So 1600 is still fine. I make quite a good profit on it. Not crazy profit, but good enough. Like I said, I spent around £850 for the vehicle, for registration 50 quid. The parts cost me 150 delivery, so roughly 1100 for the van to be sorted, to be in nice condition. I sold it for 1600, so that's £500 profit. I wasn't sure what to do, to buy another vehicle from Copart or to try and find a vehicle from private seller or something like that to make it look better and sell it. And that was in the beginning of August. What I done, friend of mine was selling his Audi A6 2006, 170,000 miles and that kind, and he was selling it for 1300, which is, it's quite cheap. Still at the moment they're nearly 2 grand in here, but you know, it's really difficult to sell one of those cars in UK. Doesn't matter the condition, can be perfect, and still it's so difficult. The reason for that is that new rules which apply for London for the diesel cars. And what I decide to buy it and sell it abroad. Like you guys can guess, you know, I'm not from UK, I'm from Bulgaria, and I decided to bring the car in there. Another friend asked me how much I'm gonna sell it for. I said in UK money that's £2,500. The trip to there and to go back cost me like £400, and I make another profit of let's say £600. And I say, you know, I return my money. That's you know, a bit more than £1,000, which I pay for the van and make some profit, 1600, and another 1600, another 600 profit from the Audi. And I decide to buy another van. I tried to bid on quite a few vans in the auction, but the prices, they're crazy. Like for 2012, let's say Vauxhall or some Citroen and that kind, we're talking for middle-sized vans. The price, it's over £2,500, which is like too much. And I decided to look for some van, like private seller from Auto Trader, eBay and that kind of stuff. And I bought a Fiat Doblo 2012, a bit more than 100k on the clock. Condition not perfect, not at all, but it's good enough. The body is good, and there's a few issues with the van, and I decided to buy it. The advert was for £2,000, and I put the price down to 1600, which is, it's good price.